Hey everybody, I see how popular these toolbox tours are on YouTube, so figured why not do one. I'm a first year apprentice for heavy duty. I just got an older Ultra Pro box with a little top piece here. We'll start in the bottom. Here I got some jet screwdrivers, some nut drivers, an alignment bar, some precision picks and screwdrivers, next drawer down I got my pliers drawer. These are snap-on, this kit. I like them. This is my standard wrench drawer. Snap-on Flank Drive Plus from 5/16 up to 7/8. Jet ratchet wrenches. This is my metric drawer, Snap-on Flank Drive Plus, 10 mil up to 19 mil. Just some open-end wrenches. You know, this is a wrench I've cut for something I needed. Those are my ratchet wrenches, metric. They're jet, up to 18 mil. This is my sockets drawer, 3/8 standard, 3/8 metric chrome, 1/2 inch snap-on from 1/2 inch up to 1 1/8 inch, and then 1/2 inch snap-on metrics. Some deep impact sockets, westward, and shallow impact sockets, 3/8. Those are some 1/2 inch impact sockets. This is my power tools drawer. So here I got the 18 volt Monster Lithium cordless 1/2 inch, as well as the 3/8 and the drill. I got some 14-4 stuff here, cordless 3/8 ratchet, little light, an air hammer, stubby 1/2 inch air impact, just a normal 1/2 inch air impact. I got some more 14.4 stuff in my toolbox at home, a little 3/8 gun and a screwdriver. Down here I got taps and dies, grinder, some tape and my gloves. Down here I got earplugs, a power ball, some straps, my 1/2 inch and my 3/8 torque wrench. Up here I got my knife drawer, scissors and stuff. Here I got crescent wrenches and a pipe wrench. Here I've got a rivet tool and some files, some feeler gauges, a few brooms and some oil filter wrenches. This is my ratchet drawer. I got the Snap-on comfort grip, 1/2 inch locking flex head, so you can move freely, or you can lock it in there. It's a good ratchet. You can get them in short sizes and long sizes. My 3/8 snap-on comfort grip. I love this ratchet. This is my favorite ratchet. This is a 3/8 jet ratchet. Some other older ratchets and impact U-joint 1/2 inch there. This is my 3/8. This is my hammer drawer. I got the snap-on dead blow ball peen, 32 ounce. Just a little rubber hammer here. Dead blow. Another ball peen here, and this is just a carpenter's hammer. You never know when you might need that. This is my punch and chisel drawer and my multimeter. I got a Mac EM710. Bought this when I was up in school. Got it for a little bit of a discount. It's a nice meter. Haven't used it yet, but down here I keep my drill bits and such, and this is just like a screw bit set up and Allen's. Over here I got my little stool, some spray paint and stuff down there, my coveralls. Keep my grease gun hanging up on the side of my toolbox here. My computer there, my creeper. In this drawer I keep lights, some electrical stuff, my engraver. This is a little, air tool drawer. Again, Chicago pneumatic, little 90-degree grinder. That's nice. Allen wrenches, some Loctite and silicone and stuff. Those are snap-on, standard metric. Up here I got snap ring pliers. Some, wood chisels there, a wire brush, and a little scraper. Here I sort of got a, little measuring drawer. That's a level, some tape measures, hacksaws, a little square, a clamp, and my little caliper, digital. Here I keep some gloves and key. Up here is just like a junk drawer, zip ties, stuff like that. Paint pens. And then on top of my box, I keep my 1/4 inch metric stuff, 1/4 inch standard, and 1/4 inch sockets and extensions and stuff, all in there. Just some fluids, just weird little shit you got on top of your box. Everybody's got, you just sort of put it somewhere, sits there. Most of it's fucking garbage, but oh well. Back here I got my snap-on pry bar set. I like these. I had Westward ones, but I was hitting them one day and handle shattered, so I figured why not get some snap-ons. They're way nicer. I like the handles quite a bit. Some magnetic parts trays back there, shit like that. Blue point one, a case one, So yeah, that's the toolbox tour here at work anyway. We'll maybe do one at a toolbox at home. We'll see how this one goes and go from there. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.